Hi everybody, Matt here. In my last video, I introduced the core tenets of Kick Dynamic and how we work with our customers that were automation, personalization, and relevancy. And over the next couple of videos, I'm going to get into more detail, starting with automation. And automation is vitally important for email marketing, whether it's automating the message that you send out in terms of program email, like welcome programs or transactional email, but also automating the content that you send within those emails as well. And the reason why that's really important is that what can slow down successful email marketing is the content production process and the email build process. And it's something that we call getting stuck in the email build loop. And the loop looks somewhat like this. Obviously, all of you will have slightly different ways of doing this, but generally you are working off a brief and some strategy, and then you are creating content or getting content for an email, whether it's going to be the products from merchandising or whether it's going to be an offer from your promotions team, whatever it may be. You source that content and then you send it to a designer, and a designer builds it in a PSD, and that comes to an HTML coder and makes it nice and email friendly, which of course is difficult to do and has its intricacies. Then you start testing. Then when you're in that testing period, you want to then press send, but something can change. So a product goes out of stock, the offer's changed, you want to change the content, so actually you can't send, and then you have to go back into the process. So you have to go and get the content manually again. It can go to a designer. Sometimes you can come here, but it goes back into the code. You start testing again. Something changes again, so you get stuck back in that loop and you don't get the email sent out the door. Now, that's something that's very frustrating. I've been there, and it can slow down your successful email marketing. So the way that we approach it is to get 50% of your content automated, so you are getting out of this loop a little bit. And the way to do that is to automate this content production. So when something does change, when you're in this testing phase, all you need to do is change the automated content, whether it's from a feed or whether it's from your website, and we then would automatically bring that into your HTML, and therefore from a testing point of view, all you need to do is just refresh the email and you'll see the content change, and then much quicker you can get the email out the door. So that's content automation. The OpenTime technology allows you to be able to automate that by automating the content source. As I said, we aim for our customers to do 50% within their email, and it's going to reduce your build time from anything over 7 days, which we see, down to a couple of hours. Thanks.